there, how's everyone doing today? So another wink of the week I wanted to introduce you to. So this is Anthony. Hi, I'm Anthony, right? It says right there. This is a watercolor artist teacher that I've been, I won't say following, but definitely checking into some of his stuff for a couple of months now. Really high quality lessons, all kinds of high quality stuff. If I'm looking at the website right now, right, so it's watercoloraffair.com. I'll put a link down in my description as always. All kinds of classes that you can see, right? And yep, he's charging money for the classes. That's his prerogative. He's trying to make a living. Good for him, right? That is not a complaint. We all got to make a living somehow, right? And if you can do it making watercolor lessons, good for you. I haven't taken any of these, so I can't endorse them, but I'm sure they're really well done because everything else I've seen by this person or this artist has been really well done. But currently I'm the freebie guy, let's just be honest, but I'm promoting the site anyways because it's a great resource. Great. So like for instance, if I go to the blog from Watercolor for Beginners, I click here, there's actually things I can do that aren't going to charge money. I'm actually on his mailing list, which gives me access to other videos, highly recommended by the way. And no, I'm not endorsed by Anthony in any way. So if I click on the painting a robin, for instance, right, it's a traditional blog with lots of writing and visuals, and it shows you how to go through different steps. PDFs, you can download things, right? Lots and lots and lots and lots of information here. And when you get down far enough, you'll actually find that there's a YouTube exercise on this as well. Now I could click on that and we could talk about it, but I'm going to switch to his YouTube page now. So here's Anthony's YouTube page, Watercolor Affair. And again, there's playlists, there's the robin, right? You could watch the robin. There's all this playlist, so there's one playlist, but if you go to videos, there's all kinds of different videos here, instructional. There's a macaroon, I'm trying to say it, macaron, that I did, actually, I have a video about that. Tomatoes, I'm kind of curious to try that one because it looks really interesting and skillful. So lots of stuff here to look at. Great channel, lots of information. And no, I'm not endorsed by Anthony in any way. I just found this and thought it had some really high quality stuff on it, so I wanted to share with everyone. All right, so I'm going to put the link down there. That'll give you access to this. I'll link the blog, I'll link the YouTube channel. You can go look for yourself and find lots of great information. I hope this was helpful. You have comments or anything else you want to see, make sure to put a comment down there. I will look at all my comments. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again soon.